Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the 2021 Toyota Supra. This is a 2-passenger coupe in nitro yellow, and under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 19-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on the Supra, aside from the sleek body styling, includes parking sensors on the front and rear bumper, aggressive aero. We also have carbon fiber mirror caps, proximity smart key system, and a backup camera, of course. Helping us inside it is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the Supra does have a smart key system, so we can just put our hand inside the door handle here to unlock the vehicle. Taking a look inside the door here, right up top you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Next to the door you have your in-cabin lighting options. Now if we take a look inside here, you can see the Supra comes equipped with black leather seating. On the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons, along with your memory seating preset buttons right up top here. Now this Supra is a push to start, of course, so we're going to push that brake in and push the start button right next to the steering wheel there. Starting with the steering wheel features first, on the left side you have your cruise control, on the right side you have your hands-free calling and your audio controls. You also have your paddle shifters behind the steering wheel as well. If we take a look at our screen here, we have a very smooth and responsive touchscreen. You have all different kinds of options here, like you have your vehicle settings and under my vehicle. You have notifications, of course. You can also look at your weather, of course. You do also have your navigation and communication with media. So you have your standard AM and FM, and you can always connect your phone through Bluetooth as well. To go into reverse, we're going to push the brake in, and we're going to go up twice on the shifter here. On the right side, you have that direct view from behind, and on the left side, it'll show you what those sensors are picking up. Putting that back into park, we're just going to press that button up top there. Underneath is the climate control. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. You also have your driver and passenger heated seats on the left and right. Moving down on below here, you have your USB and auxiliary along with your 12-volt outlet. You do also have a wireless charger, so you can put your phone right underneath there and that will charge up without any cables. You also get a nice better look at the carbon fiber in the back here. Electronic parking brake, you have your sport mode. You also have your parking assist where you can turn those sensors on and off. Now you do also have these little buttons and the Zell here that is to also navigate through the screen as well. Taking a closer look at the back of the Supra, we get a better look at the aggressive diffuser with the dual exhaust. Of course, we have these absolutely massive rear fenders as well. To access the cargo, there's a little button on the key fob. We can just give that a press for the trunk to unlock. You can take a closer look inside the back here. Now there are no rear seats in the back of the Supra, but you do have plenty of storage space even for the size of this coupe. Taking a last look at our Toyota Supra, once again, some of those great interior features includes your black leather seating, driver and passenger heated seats, dual zone climate control, memory seating, along with a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.